Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good, Miss.
Overall, good, Miss. Okay, good. So before we start our lesson, let's pray Basmalah first. Let's say Basmalah. Thank you. So today we are going to learn English through an environmental topic. And our of them is eco-friendly lifestyle, and the topic is about green habits in daily life. So, are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay. Please look at this picture. What can you see in picture A?
Limbah, Miss.
Factory, right? Limbah,
Asap, pabrik.
polusi udara. Yes. So picture A is
Pollution.
How about the picture B? Tumbler. Reusable bottle.
Mengurangi sampah plastik, jadi menggunakan tumbler, Miss.
Okay, the picture B is
Reusable bottle.
Excellent. Which picture is better for the environment? I think it was picture B because it reduces plastic waste. Good job, Hannah. Excellent. So now let me ask you another question. Do you use the reusable bottle at school?
Yes,
Yes, miss. Good job. Excellent.
It's
Good
mine.
job. How about do you use electricity at home? Do you use electricity at home?
Kalau saya mencabut cat saya setelah digunakan.
You don't use it.
Yes, Miss.
Excellent, everyone. So these are examples of eco-friendly habits. So the next slide is about vocabulary building. So now let's learn some new vocabulary. So please repeat after me.
Yes, Miss.
The first, recycle.
Recycle.
What is the recycle?
Benda ulang.
Please give the example of word recycle. Word of recycle. Contohnya, we recycle paper and plastic everywhere. That's the example. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Next, sustainable.
Sustainable.
What is the sustainable?
Berkelanjutan.
Next, reuse.
Menggunakan.
Great. Next, eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly. Ramah lingkungan ya, Miss.
Yeah. Next, pollution.
Pollution.
What is pollution?
Polusi pabrik, polusi udara. Jadi udaranya pengap, sumpah, Miss. Dunia ini Miss ada polusi.
And next, carbon footprint. What is the carbon? Yes. Carbon footprint.
Oh, carbon footprint.
Repeat after me, please.
Carbon
footprint.
Carbon footprint.
What is the carbon footprint? Footprint. What is the footprint? Footprint.
Jejak.
So, carbon footprint is jejak
Carbon.
Good job. And next, renewable energy.
Renewable
What
energy.
is the renewable energy?
Energi terbarukan.
Good job. Next, compost.
Compost.
What is the compost?
Kotoran.
Compost. Good job.
Kotoran hewan.
Next, reduce.
Reduce.
What is the reduce?
Mengurangi, Miss.
And last, conservation.
Conservation.
What is the conservation?
Udah kayak gini aja sih. Curiga besok.
There anyone
Is it English?
want to give the example about one word that is slide? Kasih contoh, ambil satu contoh dari ini, terus kalian buat kalimat dari kata itu. Anyone? Hana, please. Terpendi.
Gimana sih maksudnya?
Saya miss. Boleh. Kata apa? Reduce miss. Oke, reduce boleh. Let's make the sentence about the word reduce. Alright, miss. Hey, Ferdi, you must reduce plastic waste. Good job, Hana. So just one sentence. Ferdi, apakah mau juga? Mau coba? Mau coba?
Tulis salah saya.
Coba apa tuh?
Next ke slide
Coba
selanjutnya.
menaklukkan aku.
Now let's learn grammar. So today we will learn simple present tense. We use simple present tense to talk about habits and routines. So look at this example. Jadi ini ada structure and the examples. So untuk kalimat positif kita bisa menggunakan simple present tense itu yaitu subject, verb 1, tambahan s or es plus object, and untuk negatif itu ada subject plus do or does plus not and plus verb 1, and untuk interrogatif diawali dengan do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus tanda interrogatif. So and the examples about simple present tense. The first, I recycle plastic bottles. And the second, we sell electricity. And the last, student use reusable bags. Dan terkadang ada yang bisa bedain tandain mana yang subjek, verb, dan objeknya. Kalimat pertama dulu. So, I recycle plastic bottles.
Saya miss. Saya recycle plastic bottles. I-nya itu sebagai subjek miss. Recycle-nya itu sebagai verb 1. And then plastic bottles itu objek miss.
Good job. How about the second sentence? Ferdi, please. Mana yang subjek, mana yang verb, dan mana yang objek?
Boleh di zoom nggak miss, nggak kelihatan.
Ya kan?
Oh ya miss.
We have.
We itu subject.
Okay.
Yang second verb 1 and the other is the object.
Good job. And how about the last sentence? Sorry, miss. Wah, sweet. Okay.
Subjeknya students miss. Verbnya use. Objeknya reusable bags.
Next, ada yang bisa ganti ini kan? Ini termasuk ketiganya termasuk kalimat apa?
Kalimat
Present antara positif, negatif, atau interrogatif?
oh
Positif.
Positif. Ada yang bisa mengubah ke change into negative sentence? Satu kalimat, pilih satu kalimat, ubah ke negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Ayo, please.
what try miss?
Okay, Hannah, please. Mom is yours. Pilih kalimat yang mana?
Students miss.
Okay, boleh.
Students do not use reusable bags.
Job. Itu kalimat
Negatif.
How about interrogative?
Interrogatifnya, do students use
question. What tense do we use to talk about daily habits? Sorry, miss? What tense do we use to talk about daily habits?
What tense?
Yang sudah kita pelajari
Simple
present
present.
tense. Good job, Hana. Simple present tense, excellent. So, let's make a sentence. How can we say saya menghemat listrik in English? Saya menghemat listrik.
I save electricity.
Oke, itu untuk kalimat positive.
Positive.
How about the negative sentence?
I do not.
Yeah.
I do not save electricity.
Good job. And how about interrogative sentence?
Do I save? Do I save electricity?
Okay, good job, Hana. How about kami menggunakan tas yang bisa dipakai ulang?
We use reusable bags.
Okay, good job, Salwa. Okay, everyone. Next slide is about reading. Please read the text carefully. Is anyone want to be the volunteer to read the text?
Good habits in daily life.
Is anyone want to be a volunteer to read the text?
Miss, I
Gedein miss bacanya. Ini.
Every day, people do many activities. Oh yeah, good habits in daily life. Every day, people do many activities that impact the environment. Some habits are good for nature, but some can cause pollution and waste. For example, using too much plastic and wasting electricity can harm the earth. Students can help by starting simple eco-friendly habits in daily life. Small action can make a big difference for the environment. For TKG students, green habits are important because they use computer and electronic devices every day. Turning off computer after use can save electricity. Unplugging chargers can also reduce energy waste. Students should also recycle all batteries, cable, and other electronic waste properly. These habits help protect the environment and reduce pollution. By practicing green habits every day, students can become more responsible and environmentally aware. So that means,
Good job. Thank you, Hannah. Let's answer some questions. What is the main idea of the text?
Green habit in daily life. Green habit, green
Green
habit.
habits in
daily life.
Excellent. Question number 2. Why are green habits is important for TKJ students?
Gak kedengeran lang miss.
Because they use computers and electronic devices every day.
Good job, Hannah. And question number 3. What can students do to save electricity?
So they can turn off computer after use it.
Question number 4. The last question. What should students recycle?
From the text, say that they should recycle e-waste such as batteries and cables.
Excellent. Good answer. Dan jawabannya semuanya benar. So next to the next slide. poster on the screen. And before creating the poster, students need to write environmental messages. Look at the examples, please. The poster about green habits in daily life. Itu ada contohnya ya, kalian bisa lihat sendiri. Di situ ada save electricity, save the earth, reduce, reuse, recycle, turn on devices when not in use, and tugas kalian yaitu membuat poster. Contohnya seperti ini. For example, use less plastic, save more nature. So this activity helps students practice writing skills because they write environmental messages in English. You get it?
Yes.
I got it, Miss. Any
Understood?
question?
No, Miss.
Before we finish our class, let's reflect. What new vocabulary did you learn today?
Recycle.
Okay, good job.
Reduce, reuse.
Okay, lagi.
Terus.
Pollution, renewable, banyak ya?
Ya, Miss.
Yes. So, yeah. Okay, today we learned environmental vocabulary, simple present tense, reading about green habit, listening through a video, speaking through discussion, and writing through a digital poster project. Thank you for your participation. Keep practicing English and keep protecting our environment. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.